Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll answer one of the most frequently asked conceptual question in your NEET physics. That's that why alternating current it's preferred over the direct current for long distance power transmission. Fine. So we'll cover the concept, derive the key equation, and try to solve a numerical over it. Fine. So basically, the real power is that a real problem is that you just have to imagine a situation. This is the power station. Fine, where your electricity is generated that delivers your home, and this is your home. Fine. The distance between the grid station and your home is, say, for example, it will be 100 kilometer. So this electricity which is generated here in this power station, power grid, it has to be delivered in your home, and it has to travel almost a distance of 100 kilometer. Fine. And this electricity it will travel via these wires. Fine. So basically, you know that these wires must be a good conductor. That's why they are like conducting electricity from this very grid station to your home. So this conductor, it has a property that it has got a resistance. Fine. So whenever this current flows through these resistance, what happens? A heat is produced here. Fine. A heat will be produced here. Fine. As you know that the heat it's also a form of the energy. और यहाँ पे जो कि इलेक्ट्रिक ये पावर जो यहाँ पे चल रहा है, जो ट्रैवल हो रहा है, ये it also possesses energy. That's your electrical energy. So basically this heat means here loss of the electric energy. जितनी heat ट्रैवल के दौरान प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, उतना इलेक्ट्रिक जो एनर्जी हमारी चल रही है, हमारी घर की ओर चल रही है, वो कम होती जाएगी. फाइन. सो द बेसिक गोल इज आवर सिंपल जो कि हमारा गोल है, दैट वी हैव टू ट्रांसमिट लाइक मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर विद द मिनिमम लॉस ऑफ द एनर्जी, ताकि हमारे घर उतना पावर पहुंच जाए जितना प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. ऑल्दो अगर उससे कम ही थोड़ा पहुंचे, बट ज्यादा भी लॉस ना हो कि हमारे घर एट द एंड कुछ ना पहुंचे. फाइन. So whenever this current flows through these wires of resistance R, what happens? This wire they heat up. Fine. And whenever the heat is produced, what happens? There will be the loss of the power. Fine. So this power loss it's given by equation, that's this P loss in the form of the heat. It's given by equation, that's your I square R. Fine. So this I square it's here a current and R is the resistance. Fine. So here you notice something important here in this, from this very equation you notice something important. The important thing is that this power loss, this P loss, this power loss, it's directly proportional to the I square. This means to the current square. This means that the if we increase the current by the 2 times, power loss will be 4 times. Fine. So what happens? This means that the reducing current is the key efficient for the transmission. जितना हम इस करंट को डिक्रीज करेंगे उतना हमारा पावर लॉस कम हो जाएगा. फाइन. बिकॉज हमें पता है जितना हम करंट को यहाँ पे बढ़ाएंगे उतना पावर लॉस भी ज्यादा होगा, जो कि हमारे लिए फायदेमंद नहीं है. बिकॉज जितना लॉस हो जाएगा उतना हमारे लिए नुकसान है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जस्ट डिक्रीज दिस करंट. जितना हम इस करंट को डिक्रीज करेंगे पावर लॉस भी उतना कम हो जाएगा. जितना पावर लॉस हो जाएगा उतना हमारे घर तक मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ द एनर्जी पहुंच जाएगी. फाइन. So this electrical power जो कि चल रहा होता है, it's given by equation that's P is equal to VI. जो total power पहुंच रहा है that's P is equal to VI. Fine. So if the required हम इस power को fix करेंगे, if we keep this P fixed. Fine. So then what will happen here? Increasing the voltage, it will automatically reduce the current. Because हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? We will P by V. हम इस V को यहाँ ले जाएंगे, वहां हमारा बचेगा I. P by V is equal to I. So यहाँ पे एक रिलेशन आ रही है that this V it's inversely proportional to the I. It means that जितना हम इस वोल्टेज को बढ़ाएंगे उतना करंट कम होगा. फाइन. और यही तो हमें चाहिए. This so we need this that current should be decreased. If the current is decreased, उसी की वजह से हमें पावर लॉस कम हो जाएगा. So in order to minimize the power loss, what we have to do? We have to increase the voltage. Why we have to increase the voltage? Because on increasing the voltage, the current will be reduced, and by reducing the current, there will be the minimum power loss. Fine. So this is the way that how we can minimize the loss of the energy. That it's by reducing the current. And how we will reduce the current? We will just increase the voltage, and current will be automatically reduced. Fine. For example, there is a situation XT को चाहिए 1 लाख watt power. Fine. It needs a 1 lakh watt power. 1 10 100,000 doesn't like. Fine. It needs a 1 lakh watt power. Fine. So case 1 हम यहाँ पे लेंगे, voltage हम रखेंगे how much? 1000 watt. For example, volt. Fine. We know that this current I it will be equal to the power upon the voltage. It will be equal to 1 lakh upon voltage. It will be here equal I हमें यहाँ पे निकलेगा 100 ampere. This I will be equal to the 100 ampere. Fine. So this power loss, we know that P loss was equal to the I square by R. Now this power loss, it will be here equal to the I square, that's 100 square into R. Fine. So P loss will be equal to the 10,000 R. Fine. P loss हमें पावर कितना लॉस हो रहा है, हमें 1000 ये 10,000 R. Fine. अब हम दूसरा एक केस लेंगे. We will just take the another situation, case 2. केस 2 में हम क्या करेंगे? हम वोल्टेज को इंक्रीज करेंगे. वी विल इंक्रीज द वोल्टेज. फाइन. अब हम यहाँ पे वोल्टेज को रखेंगे 10,000 वाट हियर. ठीक है. पावर तो उतना ही रहेगा 1 लाख वाट. अब यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? वोल्टेज को हमने यहाँ पे रखा था 1000 वोल्ट, अब हम लेंगे 10,000 वोल्ट. 1 10 100,000 10,000 1 10 100,000 सॉरी. नाउ अगर हम करंट कैलकुलेट यहाँ पे करेंगे, दैट्स योर पावर बाय वोल्टेज. नाउ दिस पावर इट्स इक्वल टू द 1 लाख वाट अपॉन 10,000 वोल्ट. सॉरी. सो इट विल बी हियर इक्वल टू द 10 एम्पियर. तो करंट हमें यहां पे आया 10 एम्पियर. दिस 10 एम्पियर. फाइन. नाउ पावर लॉस की इक्वेशन क्या है? I square by, or that we discussed already. Now power loss here will be I square, that's 10 square into R. It power loss यहाँ पे हमें आएगा 100R. अब क्या हमें पता चला, हमें ये पता चला जितना हम वोल्टेज कम ले रहे हैं उतना पावर लॉस ज्यादा हो रहा है, और जितना हम इस वोल्टेज को इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं उतना हमारा पावर लॉस कम हो रहा है. फाइन. सो द लॉस इज लाइक 100 टाइम नाउ स्मॉलर. सो दैट्स व्हाई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज ट्रांसमिटेड एट अ वेरी हाई वोल्टेज. दिस इज द मेन थिंग, दैट व्हाई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज ट्रांसमिटेड विद अ हाई voltage, so that there will be the minimum loss of the power, there will be the minimum loss of the energy in the form of the heat. Now comes the main question, that why do we use the alternating current, not direct current? Fine. So now this is the real question. Like, now if the high voltage is beneficial, like why not simply increase the voltage of the direct current? हम direct current की voltage को increase करेंगे so that हमारा power loss minimum हो और current ये electrical power हमारे घर तक पहुंचे. But the answer is the transformers. Fine. So transformers अब कौन सा role यहाँ पे play करते हैं? Fine. So these transformers, they can increase, like easily increase the this voltage of the, but of alternating current, not for the direct current. Fine. So transformers का खेल है, क्योंकि हमें voltage तो increase करनी है, but the transformers can only steep up or decrease the voltage of the alternating current, not the direct current. Fine. So historically there was no simple efficient way to like change this direct voltage, which is why the AC became the standard for long distance transmission. Because what happens, the transformers, they can increase or decrease this voltage. Fine. So that power loss will be minimum. Fine. So electricity is steeped up to very high voltage for transmission. So what happens by steeping up to high voltage? It means that the current will be reduced and there will be the minimal loss of the energy. Fine. So near the homes and the factories, it is then steeped down again to the safer voltage. अब उतना voltage, क्योंकि हमने already high voltage तक ये चलता है वायर्स के थ्रू हमारे घर आने के लिए, सो दैट एनर्जी विल बी मिनिमल. बट व्हाट हैपेंस, जैसे ही हमारे घर के नजदीक पहुंचता है, देयर रिमेंस अनदर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. वो क्या वहां पे करता है, वो इस वोल्टेज को फिर से डिक्रीज करता है. दैट्स व्हाई एक ट्रांसफॉर्म रहता है हमारे मोहल्ले में, हमारे कोचों में, हमारे गलियों में, सो दैट इट कैन ब्रिंग बैक टू दिस करंट इनटू अ सेफर वोल्टेज जो हमारे घर तक पहुंच जाए. फाइन. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट इट. होप यू दिस कंसेप्ट गॉट अंडरस्टूड टू यू पीपल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.